So it's a new year. That means, hey, we need to be planning. We need to be making sure that we're tracking and counting our own bag, right? So here, this is the most simple budget that I've seen so far. So I had to share it. This is the summary. You don't have to do anything on this tab. Monthly income, you put in your different income amounts. If it's, work, um, business, and you say you want from work for the month, you probably only get $5,000 for the month. And then for the business, you want 10,000, or you might already be getting 10,000. So income number 3, whatever that is, replace the information, put in the number. Monthly expenses, we have monthly expenses, rent, mortgage, all of these various items that are just pretty much standard for anybody. So you just want to put that information in here. Once you do that, let's just say that we're going to change our mortgage to 5,000, which wipes out our income. You go to your summary, and you see that your total monthly income is 15,000, total monthly expenses 7,400 with a net gain. Basically, this looks like an income statement to me, so that's why I chose it. It's budgeting, but yeah, not really. You don't have a projected and then you don't have an actual, but that's okay. It's still good information. Check the chat or the link. Go to my site, JRambus.com, order an ebook, do something, sign up for my mailing list. JRambus.com, JessicaRambus.com, countyourownbag.com.